Let's get introduced to laser printer. In this lecture, we are going to study about laser printer. A laser printer is a type of printer that utilizes a laser beam to produce an image on a drum. The light of the laser alters the electrical charge on the drum whenever it hits. The drum is then rolled through a reservoir of toner which is picked up by the charged portion of the drum. Finally, the toner is transferred to the paper through a combination of heat and pressure. You will learn assembling and disassembling procedure in order to repair a printer. Let's begin with basic introduction to laser printer. This is a high quality, no impact printer that produces sharp, dark images. It uses a rotating drum principle similar to that of a photocopier. Because an entire page is transmitted to a drum before the toner is applied, laser printers are sometimes also called as page printers. Now let's go through the history based on evolution of laser printers. In 1960, the Xerox Corporation held a dominant position in the copier market. In 1969, the idea of using a laser beam to draw an image directly onto a copier drum is evolved. After transferring to the recently performed Palo Alto Research Center in 1971, Starkweather adopted a Xerox 7000 copier to create SLOT, that is, Scanned Laser Output Terminal. The first laser printer designed for office use only and reached market in 1981. The main advantages of laser printer are speed, precision and economy. A laser can move very quickly, so it can write with much greater speed than an inkjet. Laser printer tend to be more expensive than inkjet printer, but it doesn't cost much to keep them running. The toner powder is cheap and lasts a long time. When they were first introduced, laser printers were too expensive to use as a personal printer. The following are the main parts of a laser printer. These are drum high voltage power supply, DC power supply, paper transport, primary corona, transfer corona, fusing roller and controllers. Now, the drum inside the toner cartridge is photosensitive. Let's study these parts in detail. The drum inside the toner cartridge is photosensitive, which means it reacts to light. The drum holds an electrostatic charge. The laser beam is reflected onto the surface of drum to create a pattern of charged and not so charged spots representing the image of page to be printed. High voltage power supply. The process uses very high voltage to charge the drum and transfer and hold the toner on the paper. The high voltage power supply converts AC current into higher voltages used by the printer. DC power supply. Like a computer, most of the electronic component in the laser printer uses direct current. For example, logic circuit uses 5 volt DC and paper transport motor uses 24 volt DC. Let's understand working of laser printer. A laser is a device which emits light through a process of optical amplification based on stimulated emission of electromagnetic radiation. Rapidly produces high quality text and graphic by repeating passing of laser beam back and forth over an electron charged cylindrical drum to define or differentiate charged images. The drum then selectively collects electrically charged powder ink and transfer the image to the loaded paper. Let's look at different processes of laser printer. These are cleaning, conditioning, writing, developing, transferring and fusing. Cleaning process. The drum is swept with a rubber blade and a fluorescent lamp removes any electrical charge remaining on the drum. An electrostatic charge is then projected onto a revolving photosensitive drum inside the printer. Writing. The laser printer controller uses a laser beam and a series of mirrors to create the image of the page on the drum. The laser beam is turned on and off in accordance with an image to be created on the drum. At the spot where the laser light contacts the photosensitive drum, the charge is reduced. After the entire image has been transferred to the drum, the controller starts the page sheet through the printer, stopping it at the registration roller. Now, what is developing? A magnet inside the developing roller attracts the iron particle in a toner. This roller rotates near the drum and the toner is attracted to the areas of the drum that have been exposed by the laser. It creates the print image on the drum. Now look at the transferring process. The back of the paper sheet is given a positive charge that attracts the negatively charged toner from the drum onto the paper as it passes. After this step, the paper has the image of page on it. But the toner, which is held only by the simple magnetism, it not yet bonded to it. After this, fusing process comes. The fusing roller applies heat and pressure to the toner, which melts and presses it into the paper to create a permanent bond. The rollers are covered with the Teflon and treated with a light silicone oil to keep the paper from sticking to them. Your printer will have come out with user manual that should explain the necessary cleaning and maintenance. On the manufacturer website, you will find the support section where you can download support detail on their product. Next is conditioning. The entire drum is uniformly charged by a primary corona wire. This charge conditions the drum for the next step. Let's look at the precautions to be taken while using a laser printer. To avoid hurting yourself, never put your hands in the internal mechanism of a printer. Laser printer contain parts that reach high temperature, so be alert and do not touch such part directly. Always pause or stop a print job before you try to service the printer, especially to the top of toner or ink. Frequent maintenance is required to avoid any chances of damage to the printer. Toner contains minute particles of coloring agent and plastic with abrasive properties that human skin, eyes, lungs can't tolerate. Ink can stain furniture and clothing, so be careful while using them. Once you install an ink cartridge, leave it in place to avoid drying it out and wasting ink. Special adhesive. Some label production companies offer special non-ozo adhesive to prevent jams. However, this non-ozo adhesive does not offer a permanent bond. What are the preventions to be taken? Printer can emit noise, heat, volatile, organic compound and other form of pollution. Avoid setting up printer next to your work desk. Ideally, it is best to place printer far enough away from the people to avoid harm and near enough to avoid need for long cable. Always keep the document cover close to avoid visual fatigue. Allow space around the machine for good airflow. Now look at the disassembling procedure of a laser printer. For this purpose, you require some tool such as a screwdriver, needle nose plier, side cutter, a cardboard box. Let's start disassembling process. Firstly, open the right lateral cover and take the top cover out by opening the screws. Now take the left panel out by using the same process. There are serial connector and a small lock on right pin of door. Thus remove the lock and take plastic door out of the printer. There are two more plastic lock. Firstly unlock them and take front panel out. Now to remove formatted door, push the plastic pin on middle of the hinges and take the door out. Now take the formatter out by unscrewing the screws. After this you are able to see main motor. Open the screws and take the motor out. To remove gear unit inside a module, open the screw at the back side of motherboard. To remove fuser assembly, firstly open the screw and then push up and back to take it out. There are two screws on printer connector which holds cooling fan. Unscrew them and remove cooling fan. Unlock plastic lock and remove ventilation column and clean it. There are two plastic lock on back of the assembly that transport the paper to the top of the printer. Let's study how to disassemble fuser of a laser printer. Do follow these steps in order to disassemble fuser. Firstly, take the front plastic part out by unlocking 4 plastic lock on front and another one on the lower side of a gear. Now unconnect a terminal on the bottom of it, as this is a wire that comes from the lamp. Disconnect all the wires from their lock by unlocking them. To make lamp free, unscrew the right plastic part and left plastic part. Take care with the wires and the lamp. Take the lamp out. Now you can easily remove the fuser. Now to remove fuser gear, unlock the plastic lock from both the sides. After this, take out the metal cover of the fuser by removing two small locks between the plastic back to remove the metal cover. Clean the thermistor and don't forget to change it if they are scratched, dented or damaged. Now unscrew the fuser roller bushing from the main fuser module and make the lower rubber roller stay far from the fuser roller. Then pick it out of the module and black rubber roller. Clean everything with isopropyl alcohol. Reassembly process of laser printer is performed by following above step in reverse order. Thank you and see you in the next session.